Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered how to change your LinkedIn profile URL? Well, today's your lucky day because I'm going to walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First things first. Go to your profile. Now, in the top right-hand corner, you'll see Edit Public Profile and URL. Click on it. Next, you'll see Edit Your Custom URL. Click on the little pencil icon next to it. If your URL currently has numbers and letters after your name, simply delete them until you have the clean, personalized URL you desire. Remember, it's best to use your name rather than your business name for your personal profile URL. Save your business name for your company page. Once you've made the changes, hit save. And there you have it, folks. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.